Hey everyone, how's it going? So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Godzilla vs. Ghidorah face-off. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Godzilla vs. Ghidorah face. Let's begin with Godzilla. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's going to go down, and we're going to come back like this. Next we'll draw a line that's going to come down and then up for the eye. Draw a couple little lines underneath here. Then we're going to make lines going to come out and then it's going to curve back. We'll make little lines going to come up here and then we're going to bring it down. Then we're going to bring this line over and down. We'll do another one here and then all the way to the back. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go up and then down a little bit. We're going to come in and then we're going to go down again. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back here. We're going to go up and then down. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down here. We're going to bring it way down so it looks like its mouth is really open. We're going to make a little line down and in. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then bring it up. Next, we'll make a line that's going to come over. And we're going to come up and around. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and over. Down and over, and then down here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Then we're going to add the teeth. We're going to make some sharp teeth in here. We're going to put them a little bit farther apart. We're going to space them out, and we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to space out the teeth a little bit. Then for the tongue, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. And we're going to come down and then back here. Starting here, we're going to bring this line back a little bit, and then we're going to curve it back with a few extra little lines. Then we're going to bring this line over and then down here. Add a little line that curves down for the nose. Then we're going to draw a couple more little extra lines here for some details. I'm going to draw a couple long broken lines right along here. And then right over here I'm going to add a couple little curved lines. We're going to add some little lines inside of here to kind of show where like his gills are. Put another one here. Draw some long broken lines in here. A couple little broken lines on the tongue. Little lines going to curve around by the nose, and then a couple more little lines here, and we'll make some lines kind of right around the top and bottom of the mouth. Put some lines around here. And we're going to put some kind of long lines coming right around the top of his head. Right along here, I'm going to put a couple little kind of pointed, jagged spikes for his little dorsal fins. And we'll put a couple more little tiny ones on top of the head. Starting here, I'm going to make some broken lines that come down, and they're just going to kind of connect to these other lines, just show a little bit of detail. I like to add a couple extra ones in there, show some texture in here. We'll add a couple more little extra lines around here. I'm also going to put a couple little kind of partial circles in here for some details. going to make some more little broken lines right along the neck, with a few little extra lines coming out of here. We'll put a couple more little lines coming right around the nose. Now, starting up here, we're going to put King Ghidorah. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to come back here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down and then up. I'm going to put some kind of long lines right underneath here. I'm going to make lines going to come up and then around here for the eye, or for the eyebrow. I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come down. We're going to go up and then down here. We'll put a little curve in here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to curve this up and down, and we're going to go up here and down. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. Make a line that's going to go down and in. We'll make a little line that's going to come down and then up like this. Now we're going to make lines going to come down. I'm going to make it come out to a point and then back, and then we're going to make it come all the way out to here. Let a long line for a curve, and we'll put some little broken lines in here. For the teeth, I'm going to add some kind of long, sharp, pointed teeth, kind of spaced out a little bit. We'll do that on the top and the bottom. Then we'll do a long line that comes down and up for the tongue. We'll make this tongue a little skinnier. We'll make a long line that's going to come up here, and we're going to bring it back down so it kind of runs into a horn. We're going to make another one that's going to come out here and back, and then another one here. Starting here, we're going to add a couple little curved lines to show where the neck is going to be. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to go down and then come back here. I'm going to add a couple little points back here just to show where there's some more detail. Another little line up here to show where the other horn's going to be. I'm going to add some little lines around here. And a couple more. And then some broken lines right around the mouth. A couple lines up here. Put a couple little lines right above the eye. Put a couple little broken lines over here, and I'm going to continue some of these little line details all the way down here as well. Make some coming down as well. We'll make some little lines come out here a bit. And I'll put a few little extra lines over here. I'm going to add some longer lines right down the middle of the horns, and then I'm going to add these kind of angled lines on here just to give these horns some texture. Do the same thing up here. I'm just kind of going at an angle. I go down and then back. This is just going to give these horns a little bit of texture and detail. So I'm just going to kind of add these all around here. Then we'll just kind of fill this in with some more broken lines all over, just so we can add lots of detail onto Ghidorah. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Godzilla vs. Ghidorah kind of face-off. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.